Okay, so today we will study one new chapter. Okay, that this new chapter is chapter number 15. Okay, so just I will give first I will give some uh, brief introduction about this. Okay, actually this chapter should be okay. In my opinion, this chapter should be. Hello, sound is okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So actually in this chapter should be included in chapter number 13. Okay, old method of preparation of drug. Okay, so actually in this chapter, how Dr. Hahnemann used to make the medicines. Okay, all these things are given as it is. Okay, how he has prepared, so some examples are given. Okay, and importance of this chapter is like that ki uh, directly question comes from this chapter. Okay, directly he just write in detail about the Hahnemannian method of preparation of drug for mercurius vivus. Okay, like that directly question comes from this chapter. Okay, as it is you have to write, it is like a organic chemistry. Okay, you need to remember it. Okay, as it is. Okay, and it is not every time I have not seen this question, but occasionally, okay, like in sometimes in Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, sometimes Maharashtra University of Health Science, okay, and sometimes in the other universities also I have seen. Okay, so occasionally these questions are asked, and question is like direct question. Okay, he write in detail about the Hahnemannian method of preparation of mercurius vivus. Okay, this is the direct question. Okay, means how he used to prepare mercurius vivus. Okay, this directly you have to write. Okay, like organic chemistry. Okay, how you used to remember that thing. Okay, like that only. Okay, so we will go through this part. Hmm. Mercurius vivus. Okay, first these are only examples. Okay, this chapter just includes the examples of what Dr. Hahnemann has done. Okay, it doesn't have anything like method or processing. Okay, this is just the examples. Okay, and as you have seen on 10th April. Okay, 10th April when Dr. Bhattacharya sir was explaining about how Dr. Hahnemann was like a father of this pharmaceutical chemistry or pharmaceutical uh, methods. Okay, means experimental pharmacology he is father of, and how he used to do all the chemical test, and how he was good in chemistry. Okay, so like that only some examples are there. Mercurius vivus. Okay, we will go through this part. Okay, Mercurius vivus at chemical formula is Hg. Also, you know, hydrogyrum it is called as. Okay, atomic weight is 200. Symbol is gyrum. Okay, argentum, vivum, or mercury it is called. Okay, common name is quicksilver. It is also called as a quicksilver. Okay, occurrence mercury sometimes occurs natively, but in cheap sources it is the ore of cinnabar. Okay, mercuric sulfide HgS found at Almond. Okay, then Spain. Okay, then many other places like Texas, Mexico, Peru, China, Japan, India. Okay, the Almed mines world since 415 BC is still the chief producer. Okay, so this mine is still producing too much amount of mercury. Okay, that um, Alderman mine, which is working from 415 BC. Okay, already you know what is before Christ. Okay, so how it is prepared. This much is like your chemistry part. Okay, now we will see the preparation by roasting the ore. Okay, mercuric sulfide HgS, the sulfide sublimines and the vapor being ignited by flame late into the chamber. The mercury is set fire and is volatile by the specific arrangement. The volatile mercury is condensed and collected in a liquid state. Okay, so this is the process of how you will get the clear mercury. Okay, already I think you have studied about this in your chemistry also. Okay, second point, the ore is also distilled with the lime or blacksmith. Okay, scale in closed vessel. Okay, metallic mercury uh, comes in iron bottle or flask. Okay, each holding about each holding about 75 pound, that is 30 kilo, okay, kg, and is contaminated with small amounts of other metals. It has to be purified by redistillation or by prolonged distillation with mixture of equal amount of nitric acid, HNO3, and distilled water. uh, the contaminated metals and thus oxidized, okay, dissolved, and the mercury is separated from the acid solution, well washed with the water and dried by the means of bibulous paper. Okay, so this is just a process of uh, means distillation of mercury. Okay, how it is distilled and how it is prepared. Okay, now we will go to how Dr. Hahnemann has made it. Okay, so mercurius solubus Hahnemanni. Okay, the chemical form, this was how he prepared mercury. Okay, so this was the how he has prepared mercury, mercurius vivus. This much is there. Okay, so actually if I will tell ki it is the part of only chemistry. Okay, it is not like I'm telling anything wrong. Okay, so it is not related with much related with the preparation of homeopathic medicine, but how Dr. Hahnemann has purified this mercurius vivus. Okay, at his time. Okay, all these things are given. Okay, but I have seen many times. Okay, be careful about this mercurius vivus. Okay, at least go through it once. Okay, because I have seen questions in old question paper. Okay, okay, then next we will go to mercurius solubis Hahnemanni. Okay, chemical formula Hg4O NH2NO3 plus NH4NO3. Okay, symbol mercuric oxide black Hahnemann. Okay, aminuated nitrate of mercury, Hahnemann's soluble mercury, Hahnemann's quicksilver. Okay, these are the different names. Okay, as he has done all the work, that's why all these things are is on his name. Preparations. Okay, purified mercury is dissolved in required quantity of small cold nitric acid, which requires several days to dissolve the mercury. The resulting solution is concentrated and the salt is allowed to crystalline. Uh, the resulting salt is dried on a bottle paper and blotting paper and triturated for 30 minutes in glass mortar, adding 1/4 of its 1/4 of its weight of the best alcohol. Next, the alcohol is thrown away, which has been converted into ether. The triturations of the mercury is continued with um, fresh portion of the alcohol for 30 minutes each time until the fluid emit no longer the smell of ether. Okay, that being done, the alcohol is decanted and the salt is dried on the bottle paper, which blotting paper, which is renewed from time to time. Okay, the salt is then triturated in a glass mortar for 15 minutes with twice its weight or purified water. The clear fluid decanted and the same process is repeated with fresh quantity of water. The clear fluid is added to the proceeding and thus we get the aqueous solution. Okay, finally the dilute solutions of the ammonia is added to the aqueous solution when the black precipitates of the mercuric oxide, black Hahnemann, will be formed. Okay, the black precipitate is collected in the filtration and dried in the cool dark places. Okay, all these things are just a process. Okay, how he used to purify the things. Okay, how he used to make the things. Okay, preparation of homeopathic use mercurius solubus Hahnemanni prepared according to above formula in triturated as a directed under class 7. Okay, class 7 old method. Okay, so as what is done in class 7. Okay, as per that it is made. Okay, then Hepar sulfuris calcareum. Okay, again it was prepared by Dr. Hahnemann. Okay, how he has purified these. Okay, also these things are given. Okay, like chemical formula is there. Okay, then common name is there. Okay, then symbols are there. Okay, liver of sulfate or calcaneous sulfate. Then descriptions. Okay, description of the material. It is a white porous fabric mass of the white amorphous powder which order test is sulfated hydrogen. Okay, this is the total chemistry part. Okay, Then with the evaluation of sulfurated hydrogen, okay, hydrochloric acid, hot hydrochloric acid is used. Okay, then preparation, crude drug, how it is prepared. Hepar sulf is impure sulfide of the calcium, okay, obtained from the uh, calculated oyster shell and flour of the sulfur. Okay, so these things, this is just a revision of your chemistry. Okay, organic chemistry. Then Hahnemann prepared it by mixing equal weight of the clean, finely powdered oyster crystal as well as well washed uh, pure flowers of the sulfur and placing them in a hermetically sealed crucible and keeping the crucible in a uh, white heat for at least 10 minutes. Okay, so then after that he has done a trituration. Okay, though how is trituration 1x, how he made hepar sulp pure form. Okay, coarse powder he took 100 gram, dry vehicle sack like he took 900 gram. Okay, because at that time he was not getting all the things. Okay, so he himself used to purify the metals. Okay, like all the metals he himself used to purify, and after purification he used to make the homeopathic medicines. Okay, so trituration 1x, drug strength 1 by 10, hepar sulp 100 gram. Okay, dry vehicle sack like 900 gram to make 1000 gram of powder. Okay, so all the process will be as per the process of trituration. Okay, then causticum, Hahnemannian causticum he has prepared. Okay, tincture acrid cell kali it is called. Okay, Hahnemann techniques of preparation, how he has prepared. Okay, causticum. Okay, total procedures are given. Okay, till now I have not seen any question related with this. Okay, but mercurius vivus I have seen 2 to 3 times. Okay, but I cannot tell ki it will not come. Okay, it may also come. Then okay, just here again seed preparation. Okay, causticum 500 cc, strong alcohol 500 cc. Okay, then they have prepared the medicines. Okay, dilution 2x, higher potencies. Okay, medication 2x and higher potency. Then kali carbonicum. Okay, kali carb is there. Chemical formula K2CO3 is there. Okay, then potassium carbonate is there. Description, how it looks. Okay, so already you know how all these things looks. Okay, already you know in your chemistry. Hahnemann techniques of preparation, how he has prepared. Half ounce of cream of tartrate potassium hydroxide tartrate is moistened with little purified water and form into a small ball. Okay, wrapped in a filter paper and dried. Okay, then it is gradually heated to bring red by placing between the globes, coals or the uh, good fires. Okay, then we have one other medicine. So many medicines what he has made. Okay, so just their examples are given. Okay, how he has purified. Okay, after purification, how he made homeopathic medicines. Okay, so these things are given here. Okay, then preparation, how he has triturated. Okay, same process what we have learned. Okay, then Calcarea carbonica, again same process. First he purified. Okay, chemical formula CaCO3, common name carbonate of lime. Okay, then Hahnemann techniques of preparation, how he has prepared, how he prepared trituration 1x. Okay, all these things. Then carbo animalis. Okay, one animal. Okay, so this animal charcoal. Okay, this we will see. Okay, animal charcoal, how he did. Carbo animalis, this is called as a common name animal charcoal. Okay, then synonym is leather charcoal or carbon animals. Okay, so like we have vegetable charcoal like that also, this animal charcoal, but it takes very long time to convert into charcoal. Okay, already you know. Okay, this is the long process on the earth. Okay, inside earth. Preparation crude drug Hahnemann technique. It may be prepared from thin cattle leather. Okay, any animal or ox hide. The hide is put on a red hot um, coals and allowed to turn with flame. As soon as the flame seizes, the red hot mass is taken out and the powdered by pressing between the flat stones. Okay, then powdered form is the mother tincture. Okay, just he used to make like this mother tincture. Okay, then animal charcoal 100 gram. Okay, dry powder 900 gram to make a 1000 gram of powder. Okay, then trituration 2x. Trituration process is same. Okay, as what we have learned. Okay, and again we will learn in the potentization chapter. Okay, so trituration 2x potency and dilution decimal and centesimal scale. Okay, then elapse Coriolanus is there. Okay, so this is also one from geological name, animal kingdom. Okay, then this ellipse we can see. Okay, because okay, ellipse family is Elliptidae. Okay, then it is called as a coral snake or coral viper. Okay, so how he used to make from this viper. Okay, the head of this small snake is small, round, and depressed with short, broad muzzle, but it has no neck. Okay, it has sharp teeth and fangs and alone in the upper jaw. Okay, the body is covered with smooth scale. Okay, color. Color to form a band of dark and deep red. Then it is poisonous, not to be prepared below 3x. Okay, why below, not to prepare below 3x? Because 1x, 2x, 3x, there may be a content of these things. Okay, poison. Okay, when you will dilute and triturate, okay, the content of particular thing, poison will not be there, and if very small quantity, that will not harm the animal power. Okay, animal or like human being. Okay, that's why this is it should not be prepared below 3x. Okay, normally it happens with the poisonous material. Okay, you should prepare your medicine not you should not give your patient in crude form also, and you should not prepare less than 3x potency, sometimes 4x potency, 5x potency. Okay, it depends upon the severity of poison. Okay, how much poisonous that particular material is. Okay. Okay, then here trituration we will see. Drug strength is 1 by 10, Tarantula Hespertica 1 part, purified water 3 parts, glycerin 2 parts, strong alcohol 5 parts. Okay, he has took like this. Okay, then what he did to make 10 parts by tincture dilution, 2x continue 1 part tincture, 4 parts purified water, 5 parts alcohol, 3x and higher with dispensing alcohol. Okay, so by this method he has prepared this medicine. Okay, always remember, anything is poisonous, you have to dilute it and give a threshold energy more, so that the actual content of that particular material should not be there. Okay, otherwise it will be a problem. Okay, to make 1,000 millimeter of the mother tincture, dilutions 3x and higher to contain 1 part, 3 parts purified water and 6 parts of glycerine. Okay, uh, in practice, all potencies above 6x are made with dispensing alcohol. Okay, at that time, Dr. Hahnemannian time, all the things were there. Okay, Mygale. Okay, this is geological name Mygale. Okay, Lecidora family Mygalidaceae. Okay, then common name is bird spider. Okay, uh, description, this is a kind of black spider. It is body is covered with brown hair. Generally it feeds on ant and uh, tiny birds. Okay, then a distribution, this spider is native of Cuba, but it is also found in the Texas and South America. Parts used, entire spider is used. Preparation, okay, drug strength 1 by 10, then tini Mygala 100 gram, okay, purified water 525 cc, strong alcohol 252 cc. Okay, then it was made as a uh, okay, then it was 2x. Okay, then higher with dispensing alcohol. Okay, medicines 3x and higher. Okay, then we will see the next part, tarantula. Okay, tarantula hespertica, already you know. Okay, tarantula also geological name tarantula hispana. Okay, then family Lycosidae, Lycosidaceae. Okay, then common name is Lycosa. Okay, then tarantula. Then description, body is like this. Okay, size, body, how body looks, it is given. Okay, tarantula body is 3.8 to 5 into 5.1 centimeter. Okay, it is quite big. Okay, 3.8 to 5.1 centimeter. Okay, color gray, grayish brown, okay, then deep saffron yellow, okay, and then hairy spider, then it has where it is very much poisonous. Okay, the margins and the thorax with the radicals and dorsal lines are there. Okay, the poison of the male and females are identical. Okay, male and female both have same level of poison. Okay, in this animal. Okay, this insect. Okay, then the poison of the male and females are identical. The spider is most poisonous in July. Okay, July is the time when these snakes are very much poisonous. Okay, then distribution, South America and South Europe, especially Spain, parts used. Okay, the entire spider is used to make homeopathic medicines poisonous, not to be prescribed below 3x. Okay, highly poisonous. Okay, already I told you highly poisonous things should not be prepared or given in very low potency. Okay, then okay, this is the uh, drug strength and how much quantity should be there. Okay, dilution, you should not prepare below 3x. Okay, so these things is given. Okay, then we will go to one little part is left. Okay, then one is Tarantula cubensis. Okay, this is just like you can tell ki similar as Tarantula hespertica or Tarantula cubensis. Okay, geological name Tarantula cubensis, it is found in Cuba as name suggests. Okay, Lycosidice. Okay, then common name is Cuban spider. Okay, description, a large dark brown hairy spider found in Cuba and Mexico and belongs to the same family as Tarantula hespertica. Okay, parts used, the entire spider is used to make homeopathic medicines. Okay, then uh, drug strength. Okay, 1 by 10 Tarantula cubensis, 1 part purified water, 3 part glycerine, second part strong alcohol, 5 parts. Okay, dilution 2x, it contains 1 part tincture, 4 parts purified water and 5 parts alcohol, 3 and higher with the dispensing alcohol. Okay, medications 3x and higher. Okay, always poison should be given more than 3x. Okay, so this is complete. Just here many examples were there. Okay, only examples. Okay, how Dr. Henneman has searched the particular minerals, particular plant or particular animal, and how he has purified them or he collected the poison, how he has collected, and how he made the homeopathic medicine. Okay, the entire examples were given. Okay, that's why I am telling you this chapter should be included in chapter number 13 with the old method of preparation of homeopathic medicines. Okay, but here it is the given as a separate chapter, very small chapter 3. Okay, only 3 pages are there, 3 to 5 pages are there. Okay, so these examples, many examples are there and you need to remember these examples. Okay, I'm just telling why, because this first example I have seen 2 to 3 times in question papers. Okay, directly questions are asked how Dr. Henneman used to prepare. Okay, like question may become like this. Okay, as per I hold the question paper, I will tell Hennemanian method of preparation of Mercurius vivus. Okay, write in detail about the Hahnemannian method of um, preparation of Mercurius vivus in detail. Okay. Question may come like write in detail about the Hahnemannian method of um, preparation of drug Tarantula cubensis in detail. Okay, so like that. Okay, just you need to remember, but don't panic. When we will complete all the chapters. Okay, when you will very much clear with the potentization chapter. Okay, all these things will be very easy, very little things you need to remember. Okay, like parts used you need to remember, then which type of things will be there, like Tarantula cubensis 1 part, purified water 3 parts, glycerine 2 parts, strong alcohol 5 parts. Okay, so like this basic things you need to remember, otherwise the trituration process is nearby similar in everything. Okay, if it is a solid you have to go for trituration, if it is a liquid you have to go for this succussion. Okay, if liquid you have to go for succussion. Okay, so just go through this. Okay, once at least read. Okay, then we can see if we will discuss the question papers later on. Okay, when there will be classroom classes or yeah, if online also we have to discuss the question papers. Okay, at that time again we will see. Okay, any part is important. Okay, but okay, so that this chapter is just you can tell a chapter of examples. Okay, only Hahnemannian method of preparation of drug and chapter of examples. Different examples are there in this chapter. Okay. So this chapter is complete. Anything you need to ask in this chapter? Any query? I don't feel you have any query because these are just examples. Okay. And most of the like preparation of ores, okay, like how it was clarified, okay, all these things are organic chemistry process, okay, and you need to remember as it is, okay. If question will come, you have to write as it is. And little also, you know, you have some idea when you have studied about the organic chemistry, okay, the preparation or like minerals, okay, in organic chemistry, okay, also. So there you have some idea how raw ore is cleared, okay, raw ore is cleared, how it is purified to make the purified material, how to get the purified material like this, okay. Still you have any confusion in this chapter? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. So
No, sir.